Hi guys. So long story short, the connector for the my Akai MPK Mini basically got fucked because I was using it the wrong way. So what I did was I removed the connection, I stripped it out, and then I saw a couple of these YouTube videos which basically said, you'll be able to fix by resoldering the female connector. I don't have the female connector wherever the fuck it is. I don't seem to have the female connector. So what I went ahead and did was I directly soldered it onto the board. I hope you can see this. These are the four pins that basically must be soldered, which goes directly into my computer now. So it's basically shorted. So there you go. That's the connection. And frankly, actually, when I did this, I sort of fucked it up. I was not good at. You're basically supposed to solder these four pins, right? I couldn't do it, and I sort of almost fucked it up. And I didn't have the suction pump or whatever the hell that's called, right? That sucks out and makes the hole for these solder joints or like solder holes, right? So what I did was I directly soldered them on, and what I did was I cut out a USB cable. I cut it out, I stripped it, and then if you guys want like a reference as to like where do you solder it, I'll just help you out, guys. See, there are four places that you need to solder. The top one on the right is red, that's the plus 5 volt, and the left is the, I guess, the negative for the data, and the below left one is data positive, and the below right one is the, I think, the ground or the negative for the power. That I had a bit of a problem there. Yes, here it is. So here, this is supposed to sit here, and I was supposed to put this in. I mutilated the old one, but like I supposed to put this one in, but I'm like, I can't do this because I'm supposed to make holes, and I'm not able to do that. At the same time, I also want you to know that there is like a D1 resistor, or like it's a capacitor. I don't know what the hell that is. Okay, if I can, yeah, right. And I found it missing, and I couldn't do anything, but I lost hope and thinking that was important for the entire board to run. But as luck would have it, it was not the way. The minute I soldered it, it started working. I'll just show you a bit of. Oh, it's not turned on. Not this, not this, not this. No, I plugged in the wrong one, guys. 1 second. So I shall be plugging in the. Yes, this is the one. So so as I've directly plugged it in, check this out. It turns on. I couldn't have been happier. And these are the MIDI control. So the yellow stuff there, right? That says like I'm sending in the notes, and as I press it too, it works. And yes, I've also MIDI mapped something so that you guys can check it out. See here, if I move this, and how is MIDI controller supposed to work? And yes, couple of pointers. You got to be careful as you remove everything. If you have anything, let me know in the comments. And a couple of pointers. The Akai MPK Mini, if you want to know something, you're supposed to, make sure you remove the USB cable as you plug it in. But I didn't. I used to keep it in my bag just without plugging it in, and so like the connector got fucked. Like the connector here got fucked, and that led to it not working for a long time. Then I learned a bit of the electronics myself, and then the soldering was a bit harder. Use rosin or flux while you do it. You can solder it here too, I suppose, but I've soldered it directly, and make short cuts so that it doesn't like cross send I don't know how would you say it, like, right, it doesn't jump, like the power doesn't, like the cable shouldn't cross. Basically it should be pristine, I suppose that's how you put it, like right, it should be clean. So I possibly done that, and that's it. there are a couple of YouTube videos regarding the Akai MPK Mini as to how you're supposed to set it up. I those were the guiding videos for me to able to understand how do I do it. But yeah, there are two videos. Just Google it, and I hope this helps. If you have any questions, do let me know. Usually, the problem that ends up with an Akai Mini is the connector. So you just like fucking remove the connector and solder the wire directly, or like solder a brand new one. I couldn't do this because I thought I'd do this, and probably if this works, like fuck it, why not? Hope you guys liked